Hi everyone, it's me, Emzishan, back again at your service with another amazing product. And once again, I'm here from my channel, Multi-Dimensional Products, where we bring you the latest, most innovative solutions to make your life easier. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to something that's going to revolutionize your cleaning routine, the TUYU Electric Spin Scrubber. This is not your regular cleaning brush. The TUYU Electric Spin Scrubber is a powerful cordless cleaning tool that helps you tackle even the toughest cleaning jobs in no time. Let's dive right into what makes this product so amazing. First off, this scrubber is incredibly lightweight and designed to save you both time and effort. No more struggling with heavy, old-fashioned tools. You can now clean your entire bathroom or kitchen with ease, cutting your cleaning time from an hour to just 30 minutes. The TUYU Electric Spin Scrubber comes with a high-performance motor that spins at up to 450 RPM. Whether you're tackling stubborn stains in your bathtub, grout, or kitchen tiles, this scrubber gets the job done in a flash. And it's not just about speed. This scrubber is built for efficiency. With two adjustable speeds, low and high, you can adjust the power depending on the surface you're cleaning. It also features a waterproof IPX7 rating, so you can wash it directly under the faucet without any worries. Plus, with 4 interchangeable brush heads, including a flat brush for large surfaces, a corner brush for tricky spots, a small flat brush for detail work, and a pointed brush for gaps, you'll have everything you need for a thorough clean. One of my favorite features is the adjustable extension rod. It extends from 26 inches to 45 inches, so no more bending, kneeling, or straining your back to clean those hard-to-reach places. And let's not forget the LED digital display, showing you battery life, so you'll never run out of power unexpectedly. It also charges quickly with a Type-C port for your convenience. This electric scrubber is the perfect gift for anyone looking to make housework a little less of a chore. Whether it's for family, friends, or even yourself, it's a game changer. So, if you're ready to upgrade your cleaning routine, the TUYU Electric Spin Scrubber is just a click away. Check out the link in the description below for more details. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Your support helps us bring more great products your way. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning.